Hello, hope you guys are having an amazing day. And today actually I'm going to grill the whole chicken, so I thought to share this again with you guys. So very simple and it will be very delicious. Whole process, what you need is, this is the chicken, the whole chicken, which I washed nicely. Of course, since it's a whole chicken, that it's already washed and everything, it's done. You can see it's such a beautiful chicken. And this is the major part which you have to cut. It's important to always remember, if you will not cut this part, it will give some bitterness to the whole chicken. You can see this is the chicken, this is some piece of onion, salt and pepper. I kept it here so that I can rub it nicely. And this 2-3 cloves of garlic, and this is the parsley which I washed. Yeah, I forgot the slice of lemon. Okay, so slice of lemon also I will. You can see this is, I will just sprinkle the salt and pepper. This is the lemon, and this is the onion, garlic, parsley, these things is just to give the taste to the meat. You don't have to eat this once it will be cooked, because these vegetables will not have any taste later on. And then so now this is the one. Very bare minimum actually I added. This is, it was the virgin olive oil. So if you don't have olive oil, of course you can add butter, very good, no problem, or ghee. Or if you don't have any of these, you can just add any oil, it's fine. Very less, because this will already have its own oil and it will be cooked in its own oil. So, and that's how it will be a healthy food. See, I gave a nice massage to this chicken baby. So now you are ready to be grilled. Okay, so now this is the grilled nicely. This is after 10 minutes, and keep checking the chicken every 10 minutes. This is the best. That's how actually I used to cook. I don't put it for particular timing. This is the potato and capsicum, which was orange capsicum, it was just because it was available with me. You can use any one. Onion, tomato, you can reduce, increase the quantity as you want, there is no issue. But potato will give really nice taste, so I must add potato. And I shifted actually into this pot because it's weightless and the glass one was being really heavy, so it could be more difficult to get out and check. And I have to keep moving it because you know, you can see it's being cooked, but definitely this part it needs to be cooked more. So you can turn left, right while you know, just grilling it in between, and you can keep checking the vegetables also. So I will show you after some time. I'll put it in the oven again. It's almost done, but I'll prefer to cook a little more. It's like another 5 to 10 minutes, I believe, and it will be very nice. It will be all golden color. It's tend to be golden already, you can see, and I'll mix this all vegetables now, so it will be cooked. And the vegetable is cooking in its own butter, you know, in chicken butter. Actually, I didn't add any oil on it, and it will be very delicious, of course. Now I hope it will be done already. So I'll take it off and I'll show you exactly. You can see it's done. I turn on the oven and then I'll just take it off and I'll show you. Now you can see, yeah, vegetable is less now because I purposely added less vegetables. As I said, you can increase, you can decrease as you want, but the main thing was chicken, which is done nicely. You can see it will be crunchy, crispy, and it's very nice, very delicious. So I showed already that how to make it, and it's very simple and very delicious. But the good thing in this that it's really helpful for those who's dieting like me. So you can have it every day. There is no issues, and you'll have a very nice nice food, and which will help you to reduce the weight as well. So what can be better than this? I just love it. So just enjoy and mention in the comment below that did you like the recipe or not. In a moment I'll come up with the next video. Just take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.